Infotainment is the new entertainment. Thanks to a fresh user interface design, anyone can customize their infotainment screen, reorder the entire layout of your icons, set up your favorite widgets to control in one touch, and enjoy your drive powered by human-friendly technology. All of your car systems can be intuitively set up to monitor or adjust anything and everything. From a newly revamped navigation system and air conditioning, to safety systems and vehicle setup. Now you can customize the infotainment screen layout to your liking, all with simple and intuitive gestures. Tap and hold any icon to move it to your desired position, including your personalized favorites. Drag down the slide bar at the top of the screen, then tap and hold an icon. You can then choose from a number of functions to replace your favorite icon. Again, just tap, hold, drag and drop. On your home screen, tap and hold an icon and press the bin button to remove it. Then tap the plus symbol to find a replacement function for your home screen. New infotainment system, another clever feature to make your life more comfortable.
Škoda. Simply clever.